We're online concern. Yep.
Uh, Good evening to all the viewers. And today we are on the last day of Navratri, which is the ninth day. And so it is called Navratri. So wishing you all again a very, very happy Navratri. And this day of Navratri, that is the ninth day, is called the Naumi. And tomorrow, all of us will be celebrating a very, very big festival, which is none other than Dashera. It is also known as Dasra in Maharashtra. And so, in advance, I wish you all even a very, very happy Dasera. Though tomorrow, for a very short while, I will be meeting a lot of viewers that will be online because I will be concluding the 9 days session which has happened. There are a lot of feedbacks which has come to us, and so I will be sharing some of the learnings from this 9 days. Nevertheless, today we have a very, very interesting topic for all the women and even men nowadays, and that is nothing but the main two aesthetics of your body, that is your hair and your skin. So these are the two things which you can never hide from anybody. Whatever it is, you can never hide them from anybody. And so how important it is to keep these two things healthy. More than beautiful, I will use the term healthy, because if you keep them healthy, they are naturally going to look beautiful. So we have a very, very learned doctor over here today, Dr. Neeta Kamble. Welcome, Dr. Neeta. And
Hello.
we wish you a very, very happy Navratri. And also, we would like to tell the viewers that Dr. Neeta ma'am has, done specialization in trichology. Okay. And she has a very nice touch given to both these things. So she has given the touch of our ancient old technique of Ayurveda. So, viewers, we all know that what big role Ayurveda plays in our life, the Ayurvedic medicines, the Ayurvedic remedies. I mean, this is like 1,000-year old history of ours, which has proven that Ayurveda was always helpful in a very positive way with no side effects. So today, Dr. Neeta is going to tell us that how, after doing her medicine, how she got into the trichology and the cosmetology part, and how is she flaring in that, and what is the response of people today for these two subjects. So, Dr. Neeta, you can start telling us.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to thank Mayura ma'am, for inviting me this on this live session on FB, Banyan Minds, and for the lovely introduction you gave for me. It's really very nice and privileged to be on this platform. To start with my journey, to talk about my journey, I am Dr. Neeta Jagtap Kamble, graduate from Mumbai University and practicing cosmetology and trichology at Goregaon East. I'm this in field since 16 years. I'm practicing since 16 to 18 years. I've started my journey with a trustee hospital at Ghatkopar Hindu Sabha. 5 years I've worked over there, and this profession came to me as a kid. Like I think so, each and every kid, when you are a kid, each and every child wants to become a doctor or a teacher. That's what I feel. So it came from there. But gradually, when I grew up, I started strongly believing to become a doctor. And to achieve this, my most moral support was my father and my mother. He was the one who used to inspire me, and who used to uh, try to achieve my goal by asking me to work hard. It was My journey was all about study hard and getting admission to this profession. So yeah, it was really tough. It was time when my father used to scold my mother, just don't ask her to do the household chores, which was very nice for me. I was like, aha, it's good for me. So it was like that. Even after marriage also, I never stopped my passion. I still worked, and by God grace, I got a good family, where my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, and of course my husband did supported me in all this journey. Throughout my journey, he never made me to sit at home and do only household. Of course, it was a tough time after marriage to continue this profession, but it was balancing the household work plus clinic times plus kids and all about their study. So all about this of mine. I think so. I'll start to my topic, which I'm going to talk on skin and trichology. Trichology means hair. I'll be talking on hair if the time permits. Let's see how it goes. So first, talking about skin, being a woman also, or nowadays, skin is plays a major role. Like everyone wants to look good, radiant, glow. So everyone want that skin. So running after to have a glow on your skin, you always like to copy someone else, or you always want to somebody, your friend must have asked you, so this is the cream I have used and it has a very good result. But after using such creams, somebody have advised it's not necessary ki, you will get the same result which she has or other person have got. It is because every skin has a different type. Every skin is different. There are types of skin. They are like dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, then it's sensitive skin. So it depends upon the skin type what you have to use. So but how to know what type of skin you have? It's very easy. You can do it at home also. First of all, you have to know face. Our face is divided in two zones: T zone and C zone. What is T zone? T zone starts from the middle of this forehead and it ends tip of the nose and side of your nose. This is the T zone, and C zone is the lateral part of your face. All lateral parts, that means your cheeks and chin. So this is the C zone. How to do a test of your skin? You just wash your face with normal face wash, whatever you use, whatever soap or any cleanser. Clean it with cleanser also. Wait in a room, non AC room. Wait for 1 hour. Take a tissue paper and pat it on your face. When you pat it on your face, if there is no tissue paper left on your face, that means it's normal skin and you don't have oil secretions on your face, like on T zone or C zone. This is normal skin. Combination skin will have all residues of oil on your T zones and C zone both. uh, Sensitive skin will have red, itchy patches on your face, and dry skin will have very dry, itchy skin even after 1 hour of your skin test. Uh, this skin test. So it is very important to perform this test and know what type of skin you have, and then only you apply the creams whatever you have. It's always said that this cream is very useful. The market is advertising market, but it is never like that. You have to choose your skin type, and then only you should apply moisturizing cream or whatever cream you are using. Even it depends on summer, winter, because skin changes according your season. In summer season, you have moist skin, but in winter you have dry skin. Your skin gets dry, so it is always you have to use some moisturizing on your face. Being a woman, women are always busy with their household works and everything. She will look after everyone, but she will never look to herself how to glow her skin. So there are some remedies at home also. You can use that remedies, daily application at least twice a week, or once a month at least, so that your skin can glow. So what are they? Uh, they are like, you can have mulethi, 1/4 tablespoon of mulethi, and 2 to 3 pinch of cinnamon powder. Add a water to it, make a paste of it, and keep it in a glass container, and you can refrigerate. Yeah, you can keep it in a refrigerator, and you can use it within 10 days. You can apply it daily at night time. So it makes your face glow, because mulethi is something which is said to be Varnya. Varnya means it makes your skin complexion fair, and it makes your skin quality, improves your skin quality, because this products, yeah, this things improves your blood circulations, and brings glows on your face. Other thing you can do is, you can apply aloe vera gel with honey, mix with honey and vitamin E tablet peeling inside it. You can mix this mixture and apply on your face daily at night, or at least thrice a week. This can also help you to bring a glow on your face. The other thing is constipation. You should not have a constipation. Just like it is not necessary ki you should always apply external cream only to glow your skin. Yeah, it's something internally also, it affects internally also. So you should have a good skin habits. What is skin habits or good skin habits? They are like two things you have to do to bring a glow on your face. Always drink 2 glasses of warm water early morning, daily early morning. It will bring it makes your tummy clear, and it makes your metabolism rate, it takes care of your metabolism rate, which affects on your skin, which reflects on your skin. Because when your tummy is clear, then only you have a glow on your face. Again, the second point is avoid makeup on your face. Try not to have not to apply makeup on your face. But of course, when it's wedding, or when it's a big party time, or you want to attend an event, surely you can apply makeup on your face. But then again, you have to remove your makeup as soon as you come at home with your makeup remover. It's really very important to remove the makeup, or it has really bad effects on your skin. So these are the skin habits which you have to follow every time. The other thing is that you are like, you have an acne. Then if suppose you have an acne, then you go to a dermatologist. What does the dermatologist first ask? The question is, do you have a constipation or not? This is because the same thing. Because if you have a constipation, then it reflects on your face, because of just because skin is a reflection of your bowel movements. So what is a good gut? It's a you should have a good gut. What is good gut or gut health? It's if you have a good appetite, if you have no acidity, no gases, no bulging, if you have a good bowel movements, if you are evacuating regularly without any stimuli, that means you have a very good gut health. So this is very important to have a good gut health. And for good gut health, you should have lots of green vegetables, lots of fruits, lots of waters. These are the things which you can use internally to make your skin glow. The other thing is biopurification therapy. Now, what is this biopurification, or what is this? Why it is necessary? This is a biopurification in our Ayurveda. It is called Panchakarma. Panchakarma is included in our Ayurveda. So, what is Panchakarma? Panchakarma is removing of all the toxins, or you can say all the imbalance doshas from our body. So it purifies your body, and when your body is purified, it you have a glow on your face. So panchakarma includes snehan, svedan, vaman, virechan, and basti. These are the five panchakarma which are performed for skin also, and for other disease also do we use panchakarma. But again, this is the thing which should be done under medical guidance only. It should not be done by yourself. So this panchakarma definitely brings or achieve the wonderful skin glow on your face. The other, these are some of the home remedies which you can apply, or which you can do at home. Um, what I said, like aloe vera gel or mulethi powder, or you can make a paste of rose water powder, gram flow powder, mix with rose water powder and apply on your face daily as a mask, either daily or twice a week, thrice a week. How your time permits, accordingly you can adjust, but it really helps to glow your face. Other than the home remedies in Ayurvedic treatment, now nowadays, as the people are more prone, like they are very conscious to look good. Nowadays, male, female both want to look good, and for this now new techniques and equipments have come up, like for acne. Most common problem with us is acne means tarunya pitika, you can say in Marathi. Then acne scar. Then you have melasma, which in Boli language you can say wang. The females, most of the time females do have this wang on the face. Then you have tanning of skin because of sun. So for all this, you can use some oil available in the market, sesame oil or kumkumadi oil. They are really very effective. You can apply kumkumadi oil or sesame oil on your face daily, and it really brings glow on your face because it increases your complexion, and it increases your blood circulation, and it brings out your lymphatic drainage also. So indirectly it affects on your skin, and you have a glowy skin and radiant skin. Modern equipment, according to modern equipment, we have chemical peels. You must have heard about chemical peels. They are for pimples, they are for wrinkles also, for tan skin also. There are different kind of chemical peels for different reason, for different reason we apply different kinds of chemical peels, which really work on the face, and it's like immediate result on your face. So some people do go for it for this type of treatment. Even we have lasers. Means nowadays in the market, laser treatments are also available, but again it is a costly treatment. So chemical peel is far cheaper than laser, but both works very nicely. Other thing about mesotherapy. This is the another new term. Maybe everyone doesn't know this. Mesotherapy is the injections which we put on your faces. We inject on face to bring a glow on your face. So there are injections also, which is called mesotherapy, and derma roller. Of course, derma rollers are also there, where you can use PRP. PRP is plasma rich protein. It's a blood taken out from the patient itself, and it's put in the centrifuge machine to centrifuge it, and we get plasma, high rich plasma. We collect the high rich plasma and apply on the face, for mesotherapy and derma roller. It really has a very good effect on the face. uh, this is all about skin. If anyone wants to ask any questions about skin, uh, uh, I'll answer on the test, or yeah. I'm audible, ma'am? I'm audible, na? Hello. Can we start with hair?
You are
Hello, I'm
audible.
not able to.
You can start with
Audible,
hair.
yeah, yeah. Huh.
Hello. Yeah, you are
Coming,
audible.
yeah, yeah. Coming to hair, again, hair is very important part of our body. Like skin, everyone want good hair, thick hair, long hair, short hair. But hair, because it gives confidence to your face. It gives, you are very confident when you have a good hair, you have a good skin. To stand up, you need these things. So hair is also very important part. Talking about hair, what is hair? Hair is a keratin, high in protein, which is embedded in a small, which is embedded in a small cavity called hair follicles. So this hair follicle is very important. So each strand of hair goes through 3 cycles of their life cycle. Each strand of hair. So they are three: anaphase, cataphase, and telophase. What is anaphase? Anaphase is the phase where your hair grows, and it grows and thickens over there. And after that, it gets separated from the root. And during this stage, it is called, this is the anaphase stage where your hair grows and thickens. After thickened, this is the period of 3 years to 4 years. Anaphase is a period of about 3 years to 4 years. After this hair, roots, it comes out of roots, and this stage is called cataphase. It lasts 3 weeks. It lasts around 3 weeks. So this is the cataphase, and the last phase is telophase, or it is also called resting phase. It is a phase where your hair is released and it falls out. So this is the life cycle of each strand of your hair. These are the three. But when this hair growth cycle is disrupted, then then your hair start falling, and this is called hair fall. So when you have hair fall more than 100 to 150 in number, continuously for more than 1 to 2 months, then only it is called hair fall. So it is not ki you have 50 number of hair falls, so it is not called hair fall. So what is the main causes of hair falls? For hair fall, we have number of causes. There are number of causes for hair fall. They are like hormonal changes in women. These are the most common reasons for hair fall, because they undergo various changes of hormones during pregnancy, or PCODs. There are cases nowadays. PCODs are very common. PCOD is a polycystic ovarian disease, which is again nowadays very common with young girls. Then you have thyroid. If you have a thyroid problem, again it is a hormonal problem. You have hair fall over here also. During pregnancy also you get hair fall. During lactation also you get hair fall because of calcium deficiency. So these are the hormones which leads to hair fall. Again, if you are very stressful, you have a stressful life, these is again one reason for hair fall. Then hair treatments, like straightening of hair, or highlighting of hair, or using any chemical on your hair. leads to hair fall. Not with everyone, but sometimes if your hair, if that chemical doesn't suited you, then it's definitely effect to your hair. Again, you have if you have any acute illness, viral infections, also leads to hair fall, like even typhoid. If you have a typhoid, sometimes typhoid fever also give rise to hair fall. Radiation therapy to the head also give rise to hair fall. Chemotherapy, everyone must know, those people, the cancer people who are going under chemotherapy, they have lots of hair fall. So these are some of the causes of hair fall. And again, nowadays, crash diet, people go for a crash diet or keto diet, where one day you just have only juices, or one day you just have only fruits. So that crash diet will bring to, unknowingly bring to low protein, and this low protein will bring rise to hair fall. So these are the very common hair fall which we come across. So if the patient come to us for hair fall, we have to rule out all these reasons by taking a proper history of the patient, by asking the major questions to them regarding illness, regarding even genetically also, male pattern baldness or even female pattern baldness also, we have a genetic hair fall also. So we have to take all this history, proper history, and then conclude the reason and work accordingly to it. So for hair, what is the main important vitamins? It's biotin, vitamin D, vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin C. Yeah, these are the main things which need for hair growth. Even protein. So what diet you should have for hair? So high protein diet, broccoli, palak, fruits, every fruits, vitamin C is like santri, mosambi, lemon, all includes vitamin C. So this will help you for to bring lesser number of hair fall. But first we have to rule out what is the main reason for the hair fall and work accordingly. How to keep the hair maintained, day to day life. I'm talking about day to day life. So you have to keep maintain hygiene of your hair by washing your hair at least twice a week, or if possible thrice a week. Proper shampoo, whatever shampoo suits you, you can use accordingly to your hair. Again, then oiling of hair thrice a week. Normal coconut oil works very nicely. You can apply coconut oil on your hair. It's a wonder, like if you see Kerala people, they have a really very good hair, long hair. So they are the people who use only coconut oil. So coconut oil suffice your hair healthy maintenance of hair. Again, you can make homemade oils. You can add coconut oil, you can add hibiscus, 5 petals hibiscus flower, and kari patta, then kalonji to it, and apply that oil daily or thrice a week on your hair. It brings down dandruff. It brings lustrous hair and glowy hair also. So these are some household tips which you can use at home by maintaining, by looking after your hairs, washing, hygiene, proper hygiene, and oiling. These are the main things. And of course, stressful life is the main reason for hair. So for stressful life, you can go for yoga. Yoga is the best thing you can do at home, because being a female, I know women are always they just want household work, and they'll not look after themselves. They'll keep on running after their kids, husband and mother-in-law and everyone, but they will never look to themselves. So it's really very important for a woman, at least after 40, it's really very important to look after yourself by having a good habit, walking for at least 40 to 45 minutes, doing yoga at home, at least 30 minutes, whatever your time allows, but start with 15-20 minutes to 30 minutes. And and the diet, truly diet is also that important, because we overlook over our diet, like running after office, running after kids, and we just overlook our food diet, what we eat, what we not. So this is also very important to keep your hair uh, good in health. There are some myths about hair loss. There are very popular myths about hair loss. They are like, some people do say ki if you shampoo rigorously or you wash your hair daily, you will have hair fall. Though it is not true. Again, there are some myths about dandruff will cause your hair fall. Definitely, dandruff cause hair fall, but it doesn't means that dandruff will cause permanent hair fall. Dandruff will cause hair fall, but it will not be permanent. If you treat dandruff, automatically you will have that thickness of hair which you had before. The other myth is that shaving your head again and again will have twice, thrice the thickness of your hair. That is not at all true. It's only a myth. The another funny myth is that the intellectual people have hair fall. So it's not true at all. So it is nothing to do with intellectual with hair fall. So this is all winding up my today's lecture. For hair fall also, we have in market there are lots of treatment, like PRP treatment, which is really works very nicely on hair fall or baldness of male pattern, even in a female pattern. But thing is that before going for PRP, you should know whether you have hair follicles or not. So we if you have hair follicles in your head, then and then only this costly treatment works. So before going to such costly treatment, you should look after whether you have hair follicles or not. And we have equipments, there are equipments in the market to look first whether you have hair follicles or not. So PRP is really very good. Mesotherapy, derma roller also works very nicely on hair fall, on male pattern baldness. And yes, of course, oral tablets and multivitamin and supplement according to the cause for the hair fall. So, winding up my lecture, it's you too.
There is a
Uh,
question from a viewer that is there any treatment available for especially skin sagging?
Yeah, there are treatment for skin sagging. You have Botox and Botox therapy, and even we have micro needling therapy for skin sagging. It's a permanent needle which has been put inside the skin. Threading, you can say it's called threading of it. So we put wherever you have a sagging of most of the time you have in chin or ear, you chin or cheek. So there you can have threadings. So threading can be applied over there, and but it lasts for it lasts for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. So it's not a permanent thing. It's has that a period of time which will last. Again, then there are some lasers treatment also available in the market for sagging of skin.
Yeah, Dr. Neeta, I would like to tell you that I mean today many young girls, as soon as they go to college, and as you rightly mentioned about acne. So acne is such a problem which is related to youngsters the most. Okay, and
Yeah.
it is because of the hormonal changes which they are going through. Now what happens is that when youngsters see this advertisements of getting the skin treated by laser, and hair fall getting controlled, and you can grow very wavy strong hair, because generally they are always misled by the shampoo advertising which they watch on the television, where the model will be always shown with very long thick hair, and then these people, these youngsters, they keep changing the brands. Okay, that's how
Yeah.
actually the I feel that the damage starts, having
Correct.
worked why I'm saying all this so confidently, because
Uh-huh.
I have worked with the FMCG. I have worked with the topmost FMCG in the world, and
Mhm.
I mean, it's a part of marketing that such advertising has to be done, and such products have to be made. But nevertheless, what I want you to tell the users over here just now is that, especially the young people, that what is the right age, to look at the treatments which you are talking about. Okay, and
Yeah.
why should a youngster look at these treatments, and how should they look at these treatments at a very young age? So some advice to the youngsters.
First of all, as I said in the starting of my lecture also, you should never go with somebody is telling you about the creams, and somebody is telling, should never go with that. If at all you have acne, you should first consult to your dermatologist or your doctor, and under the guidance of them only you should use whatever creams, whatever tablets, whatever supplement, because it is something, face is something which it's really matter. So if you use any creams which somebody has used, so it is not necessary it will work on you. So it should be evaluated how to use and what to use, what to at what quantity, and it all matters accordingly. So whenever you have an acne, you should not directly go to you should not take the creams directly from the medical store and apply it. You should always consult to a doctor, and then only use creams, tablets, whatever. Even for this treatment, chemical peels and all that, it is advised only after 18 years. So it is not advisable below 18 years of age. So that is, I mean, because when the patient come to us for acne also, first thing, acne is something which starts, some people start with 15, 16 years also, but then we only give oral tablets and local application. There we don't advise for chemical peels. But if you have more acne prone skin because of oily, again, then for the young youth, today's food, quality of food of what we have, they always have junk food, pizza, burger. These all are oily junk food. These nowadays it is coming up with all this food pattern. So these are the main reason for damaging of skin, because again, your sebaceous gland is affected and you have acne prone skin. So oily food is always something which will lead to acne. So first thing to the youth, the college going youth, will be the avoid junk food, avoid pizza, westernized food. I can, in short, I can put it in this way: ki avoid westernized food, have Indian food like idli, dosa, where there is less amount of oil and it's healthy too. So if at all you want to have it outside food or snack type, avoid burger, pizza, and whatever the oily junk food should be stopped. Again, then lollipops and chicken lollipops and all that, they are all again unhealthy. Even Chinese, I can say, there are lots of Chinese fan nowadays. Kids love to eat, to have that also. So that should be avoided to keep your skin clean and glow. So again, then you have to drink lot of water, which again is, student don't want to drink. Student what, even women, we women also, with a busy schedule, will have less amount of water, which will lead to skin problem, which will lead to other many other problems also. So I can advise the teenage not to have roadside food, not to have junk food, have fruits, lots of fruits, lots of water. So these are the things, and not to go without your consulting your doctor any creams or any tablets. That's will be the thing. And again, the treatment part will be above the 18 years. It's not below the 18 years, because your skin, below 18 year, your skin is very delicate, so it's not advisable to have any chemical treatment or any laser treatment on such delicate skin. So after 18, your skin becomes little bit more good than the delicate skin. So that time you can use safely, you can use all this chemical peels or laser treatments or mesotherapy. Okay.
Yeah. Dr. Neeta, as you said that at every stage the skin of the women is changing.
Changes,
I mean,
changes.
right from
Yeah,
the delicacy level to then it is getting to that delicate level to that maturity level.
correct.
We want to know that especially when a woman is at a menopause stage. Okay, and so I know that in pregnancy that she has lot of good food, nutrient food, so already her skin starts glowing in pregnancy.
Glowing.
So
Correct. Yeah.
yeah, and it is also because of the internal happiness of becoming a mom. So once that phase of pregnancy goes away, she's a full busy mom, and then of course she gets a very little time for her skin regime, like you rightly said in the beginning. And so you gave us really some good home remedies. So now when she proceeds to a stage where she is going to hit the menopause, or rather she is in the menopause stage, are there any special skincare things which she should go through at home, or are then there some treatments during that time which can help her to keep her skin good?
Yeah, true. Yeah, in menopause there are lots of changes because of hormones. The woman is really very irritable also during this phase, and surely her hormones level goes ups and downs, due to which her skin becomes dull. So during this stage, a home remedy, you can apply aloe vera gel daily with vitamin E. You can make a mixture of aloe vera gel with vitamin E and honey. Make a paste of it, and you can apply it daily on your face. Daily, if you apply daily on your face, then you will not have that wrinkles, or you will not have that sagging face. That really works very nicely. If you want to do home remedy, again, then some women who have time, they go, you can do a massage with the oil. What I said, that kumkumadi or sesame oil also works very nicely. You can just put a oil on your tip of your fingers, and just have massage it either clockwise or anti-clockwise, whichever is comfortable to you, but in one push, one side, in one direction only. So you can do it either clockwise or anti-clockwise, and massage it over whole face. So it will bring good blood circulation to your skin, and it will decrease your dryness of skin, bringing a good complexion and radiant skin. So this works very nicely. And again, then yeah, if she has time and she wants to, she can go to parlor and have good facial also. They do the same thing with herbal facial, also works very nicely. So there are so many herbal facials. There also the technique is same. They massage it. So the massage is something like that. It increases your blood circulation and brings oxygen level to the tip of the skin, and then the your skin start glowing. So this can be done after once you hit 40. I should suggest you, if you're cross 40, you should start doing this at least thrice a week, thrice a day in a week. So it will help you lot. It will hydrate your skin, because again, during this stage, you lost, your skin is dehydrated. So you should maintain your hydrations. So you can hydrate your skin. Then there are serums available in the market. You can, if you don't want, apply that also on your face according to your skin type. So that you can apply serums also, but I suggest this aloe vera gel works very nicely on face after 40. And then again, other therapies, if you want, you can go for the other therapies also, which nowadays people opt for that therapies also, for if you have a dry and itchy skin. Then there are radiotherapy also, radio frequency therapy also there are in the market, radio frequency therapy which will hydrate your skin and bring glow on your face. So you can opt for that also. That is outside home, but home remedy, these are the things.
One question which I had was that, generally there are a lot of myths when it comes to hair washing. So,
Hmm.
some people say, no, you have to absolutely use cold water while washing your hair. Some will say that, it's the lukewarm water or it's the warm water. So, we would like to know from you that, when we are actually rinsing our hair or washing our hair, what is
Hmm.
that best temperature which we should look for?
it's it's a normal tap water temperature is the best temperature to use it. But again, those who are prone to cold cough with normal water, then they can use warm water. But accordingly, tap water, normal temperature water is always good for hair wash. So it's not chill water also, it's not warm water also. Normal tap water works nice.
I'm going to ask you one of the favorite questions. I mean, the thing is that nowadays hair coloring, is a trend, or you can say it's 100% in for many age groups. Okay, so
Hmm.
while this hair coloring is happening, okay, can you suggest that, once you color your hair, you can focus and tell us that, what are the negative things which you have to face in long run because of it, and in case you are coloring your hair, what is the best care you can take?
Yeah. For first of all, coloring of hair, most of the time, initially, it's look good, but it definitely damages to your hair follicles most of the time. So it is not advisable to color or dye or even highlight or straighten your hair, because then after you do such therapies, you have to maintain your hair for a longer time, because again, initial, you have to moisturize, you have to condition your hair regularly, because that's the thing you have to do after straightening also. Because if you will not maintain, then your hair fall starts. Even after maintaining these things also, some people do suffer from hair fall, because these chemicals makes your hair change, cycle life change, and it brings destruction to the hair follicles, and then hair fall starts. So first of all, try to avoid to do this. And if at all you are doing it, you have to condition your hair, you have to oil your hair, you have to use the milder shampoo which suits your hair. So it is very important to maintain your hair once you highlight your hair, or once you did a straightening of your hair. So that's really very important to maintain it for a longer period of time. I can say whenever you do hair cleaning, they will give the all the product along with that, the moisturizing and the conditioner. They will always provide with that product also, ki, you have to use this to a certain year, to 3 years, 4 years. You have to keep on using that product to maintain your hair quality. So these are the things you have to keep in mind while doing it. If you are at all going for it, you have to keep in mind that you have to maintain 2 to 3 years at least to maintain your hair. So these it's really very important. If you do any chemicals on your hair, you should keep in mind ki you have to maintain that for many years also. Or else the hair fall start immediately if you don't maintain that therapy.
Okay. Because I precisely asked you this question because I mean, I'm sure you must have had patients, who must have come with these kind of complaints, because
Yeah, yeah.
the way, nowadays even youngsters change the hair color frequently is
Yes.
what I wanted to know from you. So, Dr. Neeta, it was really a wonderful session, because this is like, marrying with the modern world and, what you can do at home also. So, yes, nowadays time is a big shortfall when it comes for home remedies or, when it comes for doing
Hmm.
something very typically at home. So, there are many solutions in the market, as you rightly said, and but yes, you have to diagnose first the problem very well, understand what it is, and then you go for this further treatment. So what I would like to tell the viewers is that I mean, the clinics where the trichology, where the cosmetology testing happens, definitely they are the best places to go when you have a certain problem which is not getting rectified for a long time. It is always better to go to such clinics, take proper advice, and then do the medication, instead of listening to a friend, or listening to someone who has said that I have used this product on my skin, it is good, and please go ahead with it. Please don't do that, because your hair, your skin are so sensitive that you might not even know that what is the long term damage you are doing to them by just referring things and using the products. So, Dr. Neeta, thank you very much for this very very informative session. It was really helpful for us to understand these modern techniques which you mentioned, and I'm sure the viewers would have enjoyed it. So we wish you a very very good luck for your future endeavors, and we wish you a very bright future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Madam ma'am. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye.